Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I have is another super easy nail design. So what we're going to do, and what I did here just to save time, because I like to keep my videos nice and short, I went ahead and I applied 2 coats of this red gel polish. You can use any color you would like, but the trick to this design is to use gel polish. So I went ahead and I applied 2 coats of the red, and I'm going to go in with a third coat, but this time I am not going to cure this. I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this evenly, and like I said, we're not going to cure this coat. We're gonna leave it as is, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my other 2 colors, which are going to be red and white, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a drop and put it in this plastic dish here. So I'm taking a drop of white, and then I'm also taking a drop of black, and we're going to go ahead and take a dotter, any size dotter that you would like, depending on how big you want your, I want to say, hearts to be. That's the size that you should take. I'm gonna go ahead and take this size here. All right, so I'm taking my nail. Again, I applied a coat of the red gel polish, and I did not cure it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the white, and I'm going to start creating dots. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the white down. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a couple dots here. I think I'm going to go ahead and create a total of 4. And the other trick to this nail design is to try to make your dots touch each other. So the black and the white dots are going to be touching. You don't want to separate them, because then you won't get the same effect. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, I do have to move a little quick. I'm going to go ahead and use this nail art brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go start at the top. I hope you guys can see this. And then I'm just going to drag it down slowly. Just drag it down, right? Going straight down in the middle. Alright, and there you go. See how nice that looks? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this under the light for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so then I pulled that out of the light, and as you can see, that looks really nice. I do want you guys to pay attention to what I'm gonna say right now. So you saw me creating this design by applying a coat of the red gel polish and not curing it. Now you can go ahead and create another set of the same design on the other side, or whichever way you would want it. But after you cure it, you're not going to be able to create this design anymore. So in order for you to create this design, it has to be on wet gel polish. But because I am going to go ahead and create another heart on the other side, I went ahead and cure it. If I don't cure it before I create the heart, then my heart is going to mix in with the red gel polish. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go in with the white, and I'm going to go ahead and create 2 dots. Just here is fine. Now if I hadn't cured this, when I start going in with my brush here to just create it, it was going to bring in that the red gel polish into the white. So that's why when I'm creating this heart, it does have to be dry. I'm not sure if I'm explaining myself enough for you guys, but if you guys have any questions, please just leave them in the comments below, and I will try to answer those questions as best as I can. Alright, so then that's that heart, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a black heart right underneath. just by placing 2 dots and then going in with my art brush here, and then just bringing it in. As you can see, it was super simple to make, and it looks really nice and elegant. Kind of reminds me of a good nail design for Valentine's Day. Okay. Alright, so now I went ahead and I perfected those hearts there, as you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'll be back to add the top coat and show you the finished product. Okay, so now everything has cured, and then I'm just going to go in with a top coat, but I just wanted to show you the method that they were using to create this nail design, which I thought was very interesting. I thought I saw it before somewhere, but I never really paid attention on how they were creating it. But yeah, so now you know how they create it. It's very simple. The trick is just to go ahead and use gel polish for this design here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that, and then that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Keep supporting me. I'm really grateful for that. And then I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.